Welcome to the channel. We all know that getting the kids out of bed in the morning can be tough. So why not make breakfast something they and you will actually look forward to? These fluffy pancakes are just that. They make mornings fun and stress-free. You'll feel like a culinary superhero, and your kids will feel like they've entered the next level of a thrilling food adventure. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the base recipe. This is what will make your pancakes fluffy and flavorful. Grab a bowl and mix together 1 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, mix together 1 cups of milk, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't overmix that batter, or your pancakes will be tough. Now, gently combine the wet and dry ingredients until just combined. And don't worry if there are a few lumps. That's totally normal, and will not affect the texture of your pancakes. Let the batter rest for 5 minutes while you heat up your pan on medium heat. Once hot, add a little bit of oil or butter to the pan. And when it starts sizzling, it's ready. Now pour about 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. And remember, don't overmix that batter. To keep your pancakes light and fluffy, cook the pancakes for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and cooked through. Now let's get creative and add some flavor. You can do this by adding chocolate chips, fresh blueberries, or mashed bananas to the batter. When the kids are old enough, let them measure, mix, and even flip the pancakes with your supervision, of course. For extra fun, use cookie cutters to make fun shapes. To make the chocolate chip dream pancakes, add 1/3 cup of mini chocolate chips to the batter. When the pancakes are done, serve them with whipped cream and a sprinkle of cocoa powder. Berry lovers will adore the berry burst pancakes. Just fold in about 1 cup of fresh blueberries or chopped strawberries. Top them with yogurt and a drizzle of honey. For a healthy and delicious treat, try the Banana Oat Crunch pancakes. Mash half a banana into the batter and add a tablespoon of oats. This will make your pancakes hearty, healthy, and delicious. Remember, the best part of making pancakes is the toppings. Let your kids go wild with their creativity by setting up a pancake bar with fruits, syrups, sprinkles, and nut butters. And there you have it, fluffy pancakes that are not just a breakfast, but a memory in the making. Because every pancake is a chance to say, I love you, one bite at a time. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more joyful recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.